Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umentri rangba ka jela Conrad ki sangma kasni baar ulaong ba ka sorkar kalakot jingmut ban kan show pisabha sya ka puli dangni bat ban penklan ya ki jingte ying skul ki bere jong ki haya an technical hapo ka jela. Umentri rangba ulakran ni kani haba play ka sora government college East Khasi Hills. O Conrad ulakran halor ki plan halor ki jing puli jong ki kerdan basyadrong da ka jingmi jong ki jaka puli ba pennet jingmun halor ka science engineering ba architecture hapo ka jilla. Ula batay ru bakaray ka bajuan asim hakaban wanra ya ki jingpin janay ya ka puli dangle bat ay kublay yu menteri puli puthi barim ba lakman rimbui halor ki rai bat ki sinjam ula sim. Iba penpawi ka thong jong ka sorkar ban wanra ya ki jingkela haka kam puli dangle. Habakran halor ka education ne ka khajna ha ka puli dangli umintri rangba ulo ong de kisnem ka khajna halor ka puli dangli la lum da ka sarkar handai omju pelut satya ondang ila shimti mangi ila raiba man kishi naya balum lingba ka khajna deban pendon kam shaka kam puli dangli na ka khajna ila zdang ban shna ki jingte ki bathmai bat kumju ru ya ka jingpin bha ya ki school bat college ba pher
all the different concerns and the visions and the ideas with which we have tried to move forward in the education department. And hence I don't want to go too much into details. And as mentioned, we have another program after this. And one of the most important investments any government can make. And that is what drives this government, to ensure that we are able to take care and nurture the greatest resource that our state and our country has, which is the youth of our nation. And it's as simple as that. And though the choices are tough sometimes, I appreciate Malakaman Rimbui, who was with me in the cabinet last 5 years. Education was maybe one of the toughest departments we had. A lot of reforms needed to be made. A lot of tough decisions needed to be made. Being a sector which was, I don't want to say it in a very negative way, but it was really not doing as good as maybe what we would want it to do. And hence, tough decisions were required to make real changes in a short period of time.
Now, 80 students of the government college, be it Sora, Williamnagar, Tura, Bakmara, now we can say proudly, this is the government college. And I belong to this government college today. Sir, thank you so much. And to which event you want to play, you should be ready with your dress and the jersey.
Colleagues in the assembly, and as Rakam correctly said, both the MLAs of this great asset, validated by Gavin